Hi to all. In this video I am going to explain the concept of Cipher and its example. How the plain text was converted into ciphertext using Cipher and it was decrypted back. So first let I tell you what is substitution technique is. A substitution technique is one which the letter of the plain text was replaced by a letter or a number or a symbol. There are four techniques in substitution technique. The first one is Cipher. In this video I am going to explain about the Cipher. In my further classes I will explain the balance 4. So Cipher is one of the techniques in substitution techniques. Okay. So a substitution technique is one in which the letter of plain text are replaced by other letter or by number or symbols. Okay guys. So in this example I am going to explain you about how the plain text is converted into ciphertext using Cipher technique. Here you can, in this picture you can see this is the plain text. In every example we chooses the two name Ali sends a message to Bob. Here the allies want to send a message, meet me after the Togo party. This is the plain text, but allies decided to convert this plain text into ciphertext by using Cipher technique. Okay, what is mean by Cipher technique is, this is the substitution technique only. Here in the Cipher, the Cipher involves replacing each letter of the alphabet with the letters standing 3 places further. Okay. The Cipher involves replacing each letter of the alphabet with the letters standing 3 places further down the alphabet. This technique was used in Cipher. So here, this is the plain text or written from A to Z. The equivalent ciphertext also written here. In Cipher, how the letters are replaced by means of each letter of the alphabet with the letter standing 3 places further down the alphabet. Here you can, in this picture, the first letter is A. To replace the letter for A is the letter standing 3 places further down the alphabet. Here is, this is A, the third place is D. Okay, first, second and third. So A is replaced with D. For the letter B, what letter replaced here is, the third letter from the B is C. From the B, C is first letter, D is second letter, E is third letter. So B is replaced with E. For the letter C, the third letter from the C is first, D is first, E is second, F is third. So for C, F is replaced. Like that each word was replaced by standing 3 places further down the alphabet. Like that, this is the plain text. This is the plain text here. The first is M. M is replaced with the ciphertext P. Okay, so the P is replaced by M. And then for the plain text E, this is the plain text E. For the plain text E, the corresponding ciphertext is H. So E is replaced with H. So again the letter E is repeated. So H is replaced for E. The next plain text is T. For the letter T, the ciphertext is W here. So T is replaced with W. Like that, each letter replaced with the cipher text. So this technique is called the Cipher. This cipher text is traveled to the Bob. Because in this example we choose Bob as the receiver. So Bob received this ciphertext only, which takes PHHW, PHDI. This is the ciphertext. This was received by the Bob. So what is the work of the Bob now is, he is going to decrypt the message and get the plain text. Okay. So in this, let us assign a numerical equivalent to each letter. For A, the numerical equivalent is 0. for B1, for C2, for D3, like that. 26 letters have a equivalent decimal number. For this is 25 because we start from 0. So end with 25, totally 26 letters and 26 numbers here. So the algorithm for the encryption and decryption are shown in this picture. For the encryption algorithm, C equal to C means the ciphertext encryption algorithm. 3 is the key value here. The key value may be variable. It may be 3, it may be 2, it may be 4, like that. So this algorithm was given here as a general form. Ciphertext equal to encryption algorithm. Key may be any value, for example 1, 2, 3, etc. To decimal values up to. Here the key value is up to 25 because there are 26 letters here. So the key value is up to 0 to 25. This is equivalent to P plain text plus K mod 26. This is the general form of the algorithm. This is the general form for the encryption algorithm. Okay, but the K means the key takes on the value in the range 1 to 25. The decryption algorithm is plain text. Decryption means we receive the plain text from the ciphertext. So decryption algorithm, corresponding key, ciphertext. C is the ciphertext minus key mod 26. Okay, this is the algorithm for encryption and decryption. So let's see the example. Girls, kindly watch this. This is important. How to convert to encrypted text. The plain text is converted to encrypted text is happened here. This example, I chosen the plain text WEL well, and the key is 3. So the ciphertext algorithm is plain text plus K mod 26. This is the general algorithm for converting to ciphertext. Okay, here the plain text is W. So for the P, I choose the plain text W. The value of W here is 22 because in the table you can see 22 have the value W, have the content W. Okay, so for the value 22, I replace for the text W, I replace the value 22. The key value is 3. So 22 plus 3, 25 mod 26. So this is the mod. Mod means 25 minus 26. Here you can get a negative value. While doing mod functions, if you get a negative value, you add the 26 to it. Okay. So now minus 1 plus 26, the value is 25. So here the mod 25 mod 26 is 25. So here you can you're going to find the 25 equivalent letter is Z. Okay, so Z is placed here, so W is replaced with Z. The next plain text is E. So convert the plain text E to ciphertext by means of the same algorithm P plus K mod 26. Here the plain text is E plus 3. The value of E in the table is 4. Okay. So 4 plus 3 mod 26, 7 mod 26, 7 mod 26. Again it gets a negative value. So you can add plus 26 to it and you can get the 7 for this 7 mod 26. You can now go to the table and see the value 7. So the 7 has the content H. So the letter E is replaced with H. Okay. Next, the third letter will L. L plus K mod 26. The value of L in the table is 11. Okay. 11 here. So 11 plus key value 3 mod 26. 11 plus 3 14. 14 mod 26. You can get 14. For the value 14 in the table, you have 0. Okay, sorry, you have O. So L is replaced with O. So now the plain text alias send is well. It was encrypted as ZHO. So this ZHO was delivered to Bob. Now the Bob is going to decrypt the ciphertext. So this the decryption algorithm here is C minus K mod 26. The ciphertext is ZHO. So now each letter is converted into plain text by using decryption algorithm. The decryption algorithm is here C minus K. Here the ciphertext first one is Z. So Z minus key mod 26 Z. The value of Z in the table is what? Z 25. Okay, Z has the value 25. So 25 key value is 3 minus 3 mod 26. 22 mod 26 you get the value 22. Now you're going to see the table for the value 22. It has the letter W. So Z is replaced with the letter W. Okay, Z is replaced with the letter W. Now the second ciphertext is H minus K mod 26. The value of H already I showed in the table is 7. Okay, the value of H in the table is 7. So 7 minus 3 mod 26. So 4 mod 26. 4 mod 26 means 4 minus 26. Minus 22 is a negative number. If the remainder is in negative, you can add 26 to it. So you can get the value minus 22 plus 26 equal to 4. Okay, minus 22 plus 26 equal to 4. So the 4 in the table represent the value here E. Okay, 4 in the table represent the value E. So 4 is equal to E. So H is replaced with E. The next letter is, now you can see 4 minus 26 minus 2. If remainder is negative, add 26 to it. So minus 22 plus 26, 4. 4 equivalent letter is E in the table. The last letter in the encryption is ZHO. So now you take the ciphertext O minus K mod 26 for the letter O. 14 is the value minus 3, 11 mod 26. Okay, 11 mod 26 is minus 15. Again, this is a negative number. So you can add 26 to it. Minus 15 plus 26 equal to 11. 11 equivalent letter in the table is 11 equivalent letter in the table is 11. Sorry, 11 equivalent letter in the table is L. So here here O is replaced with L. Now you get the plain text WEL. Okay, can you all clear, girls? The alias sent the letter WL and it was encrypted to ZHO. It reached the receiver Bob. Again the Bob decrypt the message using the decryption algorithm. The Bob get the plain text WEL. Okay, can you all, I think hope you all understand this. If you have any doubt, ask it to me. So this is the decryption algorithm. This is the ciphertext ZHO. By using the decryption algorithm, you can get the plain text WEL. Like that, this is the plain text WEL. By using the encryption algorithm, you get the ciphertext ZHO. Okay. ZHO is decrypted using the decryption algorithm and the Bob get the finally the plain text. This is the example of Cipher, how it encrypt and decrypt the messages, but it was easily required by the brute force attack. Okay, this is one of the disadvantage because only 25 keys here. So by using the brute force attack, the cryptanalysis can easily fetch the plain text key and the ciphertext too. Thank you, girls.